Alright, that lighting's a little bit better. Good morning and Merry Christmas from Dalat, Vietnam. Today we're going to be spending our Christmas in a non-traditional way. We're going to be traveling from Dalat to Phan Rang, Thap Cham. Not really sure what that is going to entail. Have no clue what that city has to offer, but going to go explore that, take a bus, and spend about a day and a half there. Right now, standing in our hotel room at a homestay, and they actually gave us a free upgrade after the first night. So check this place out, it's pretty huge. Our other room was like microscopic, it was tiny compared to this. So we're gonna go ahead and get packed up right now. It's currently 9 a.m. and our bus takes off at 11, so we gotta be downstairs by 10:30. Alright, so we're all packed up right now. It only took about 10 minutes. When we first started traveling, we found ourselves like packing the night before, getting all stressed out. But nowadays, 6 months in, we pack like 10 minutes before we need to go. So we were supposed to be picked up at 10:45 for our bus at 11, and it's now 11:15, and we still haven't gotten picked up yet. So let's see what happens next.
Merry Christmas. 11:35.
Bye, thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Here, I got it. No, I got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye, thank you. Come on.
Bye, thank you.
We made it to Phan Rang, Thap Cham, and fun fact, Vietnamese people get car sick very easily. We were 30 minutes into our 3.5 hour bus ride and people were already throwing up in plastic bags. So if you use public transit here or any sort of bus, don't sit next to a Vietnamese person. Hello,
Yes.
how are you?
I'm great, thanks. You are the person.
So we just walked into our Airbnb at a hostel and it's pretty incredible. Check this out.
Luxury.
Hello, Emma. Look at this view.
This is amazing.
How much was this a night?
$18. So a little bit, I mean, it's a hostel, but we have obviously a private room, so it's pretty nice.
So $9 through for each of us. That's a pretty solid deal. Have our own bathroom, private bathroom, right here. Wow. It's called the Sea Urchin Homestay. Such a unique place too.
And there's, I guess, like a rooftop terrace
Yeah.
if we go up, and on the bottom there's a cafe and bar. So
We can go check that out. Look at these amazing woven slippers we get too. Stylish, comfortable, awesome. Should we go check out the upstairs? The terrace?
Yes.
Looks like it's partially finished. This place is like brand new. I think we're the only ones here. Straight that way is the ocean. Pretty breezy up here. You want to go down here? Yeah. Sure. Hello. Hello. So that was the night market. Looked like they were just getting set up, and
yeah, it's only 5.
Yeah, it's only 5, and we were walking around the town, or the town, and our initial impressions are there's not much to do. I know if we go further east, the beach is that way, so that might be on our agenda tomorrow. And it's pretty evident that they don't get a lot of tourism here because, first of all, we're the only Westerners we've seen so far, and we kind of feel like celebrities everywhere we go. People are turning their heads to look at us. And so every building in the area where we're staying seems like it's brand new, and there's a ton of construction going on. So we're wondering if we came a little bit early, maybe in a couple years it'll be developed like Da Nang or Hanoi or something, and maybe it'll be more of a tourist hub down the road, but still really cool to see. Alright, so I think that about does it for our adventure for today. Thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays from Vietnam.